Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the frequently asked JavaScript entry questions and answers. These questions are very helpful for freshers and experienced developers. First, let me define what is JavaScript. JavaScript is a client-side as well as server-side scripting language that can be inserted into HTML pages and is understood by web browsers. JavaScript is also an object-based programming language. That means JavaScript can be used client-side development as well as server-side development. It is a scripting language. Okay. Next question is, what is the difference between Java and JavaScript? Java is a complete programming language. That means Java is a object-oriented programming language. It never depends on the script language. Whereas JavaScript is a scripting language that can be introduced to the HTML pages. These two languages are not at all interdependent and are designed for different intent. Java is an object-oriented programming or structured programming language like C++ or C, whereas JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. The next question is, what are the different types of data types in JavaScript? There are few data types are available in JavaScript. They are number, string, boolean, object, undefined. The next question is, which scripting language is very faster between ASP and JavaScript? So no doubtly we can say that JavaScript is a faster scripting language because it is a client-side language and thus it does not need the assistance of the web server to execute because it will execute on the client side on the web browsers only. No need any server. That's why JavaScript is very faster scripting language. On the other hand, ASP is a server-side language and hence it is always slower than JavaScript. Now, JavaScript is also a server-side language. We are using Node.js for server-side supporting language. The next question is, how to break JavaScript code into several lines? Breaking within a string statement can be done by use of backslash at the end of the first line. So that means if you want to break the line, then we have to use backslash like document dot write. Suppose here you are writing this is a JavaScript program. So here you can see we are using backslash. So with this we can break the line in the string. Okay. The next question is, what is prompt box? A prompt box is a box which allows the user to enter input by providing a text box. Label and a box will be provided to enter the text or number. So prompt box is nothing but whatever you are going to enter a text in the box. It is nothing but a prompt box. The next question is, What is this keyword in JavaScript? This keyword refers to the object from where it was called in the JavaScript. So whenever we are using object calling to the current reference to the particular object, to refer to the current object, then we are using this keyword. What difference between view state and session state? View state is specific to a page in a session, whereas session state is specific to user specific data that can be accessed across all pages in the web application. The next question is how to write a code to submit a form in JavaScript. So here, to submit a form using JavaScript, use we have to use like document dot form dot submit. So this is the code. So guys, please learn the practical examples also whenever you are facing technical interview, because nowadays all are expecting practical answers, not theoretical answers. Okay, so you must be do practice with programs. So then only you can clear the your technical rounds. Otherwise, please don't go for the interviews if you have theoretical knowledge. The next question is how to read and write files in JavaScript. Yes, this is also one of the frequent asked questions. So there are two ways to read and write a file using JavaScript. First method is using JavaScript extensions. The second one using a web page and ActiveX objects. The next question is what is the meaning of variable typing in JavaScript? Variable typing means it is used to assign a number to a variable, and the same variable can be assigned to a string. For example, let me take one example. Variable type means you can use number and the same the variable you can also use string also. For example, take I equal to 10. For the same I variable, suppose x equal to 10. For the same x variable, you can take the string also, like this. This is called the meaning of variable typing. Yeah, it is possible in JavaScript, and the same way one other programming language. Python also supports this type of variable typing. Okay, so the next question is what is the use of delete operator in JavaScript? The delete keyword is used to delete the property as well as its value. So we are using delete operator to delete property and at the same time its value. Okay. The next question is how many types of pop-up boxes supported in JavaScript? There are three different types of pop-up boxes will be supported in JavaScript. That one is alert, confirm, and prompt. Okay. The next question is what is the difference between alert and confirmation box? Let me wait just a minute. Yes. An alert box displays only one button, which is the OK button, whereas confirmation box displays two buttons, namely OK and cancel. Okay. The next question is, what are the keywords used to handle exceptions? So just like in Java programming language, the same keywords are using here in JavaScript also, like try, catch flags. Okay, try, catch flags, and finally used to handle exceptions in the JavaScript. The next question is, what is the use of blur function? Blur function is used to remove the focus from the specified object. Okay. The next question is, what are the different types of errors in JavaScript? There are three types of errors in JavaScript. That one is load time errors, runtime errors, logical errors. What is the meaning of load time errors? The errors which comes when loading a web page. Okay. And what is a runtime error? The errors that comes due to misuse of the command inside the HTML language. Then what is logical errors? These are the errors that occur due to the bad logic performed on a function which is having different operations. Okay. The next question is, how to add more elements to the array in JavaScript. So to add more elements to the array in JavaScript, we have to use a push method. This push method is used to add or append one or more elements to the end of an array. Using this method, we can append multiple elements by passing multiple arguments. The next question is, how can the OS of the client machine be detected? So for this, we have to use one string like navigator dot app version string can be used to detect the operating system on the client machine. Navigator dot app version string. Okay. The next question is, explain the difference between window dot onload and window dot on document ready. The onload function is not run until all the information on the page is loaded. This leads to a substantial delay before any code is executed. Whereas on document ready loads the code just after the DOM is loaded. This allows early manipulation of the code. So these guys are very frequent asked interview questions. I hope you enjoy my videos. So thanks for watching.